Today, we're taking a look at the linear AK-11 ACP00748 stand-alone exterior surface mount digital keypad. This keypad comes in a sleek black color, fitting perfectly into modern environments with its stylish design. What sets it apart is its ambidextrous hand orientation, making it convenient for both left-handed and right-handed users. The keypad is designed for exterior surface mount installation, providing robust functionality for access control. It includes a handy keycap puller, which simplifies maintenance and customization. The build quality is impressive, featuring durable materials that ensure longevity even in outdoor settings. Installation was straightforward, thanks to clear instructions provided by the manufacturer. Once installed, programming the keypad was intuitive, allowing for easy setup of access codes and other configurations. The keypad supports a decent number of user codes, which is suitable for residential or small commercial applications that in terms of usability. The keypad's buttons are responsive and well-spaced, which minimizes errors during code input. The backlit display enhances visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring usability day or night. Security-wise, the keypad feels robust and tamper-resistant, providing peace of mind for securing your property. Overall, the linear AK-11 ACP00748 stand-alone exterior surface mount digital keypad impresses with its modern design, user-friendly features, and sturdy build quality. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home security or manage access to a small office, this keypad offers a reliable solution that blends functionality with aesthetics seamlessly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.